Hi guys, good morning. Today is Sunday, July 21st, I think. Ano na? Oras na ba? 9:10 a.m. And today, ang agenda ko ay gumawa ng Bake Mac, mag-work. So, sa paggawa ng Bake Mac, I have to buy yung ingredients. So, pupunta ako ngayon sa Asian store to buy yung ingredients to cook talaga. And then, Dollarama para bumili no foil na container. And then, I think Walmart kasi I need full cream and cheese. And so, yeah, samahan niyo ako. And I'm almost there. Ano lang to, parang 3-minute drive. So, magkakatabi, I mean, yung Walmart hindi. So, dito ako ba may bibili nung tray. Tapos, ang Asian store ay, yun, wait lang. Ang aga. Pero alam ko, 8 open na sila eh. This one. Let's try to park dito. Exit to eh. I mean, ako lang ba? Gusto ko kasi yung paglalabas ako malapit na. So, yun yung name. International Fresh Food. Tara, pasok tayo. Bibili ako pero mas mahal kasi si Angel. Eto, dito lang tayo. $1.99. 20-25 pa naman. Kita ba? Meron na kasi akong sibuyas, bawang, bell pepper sa bahay. So, sauce na lang bibilhin ko. And meat. Wala yung bet ko. Wait lang. Pwede na to. May naapakan ako. Ito yung pork. Yung beef. I think yung ground beef na sa kabila. Bakit wala? Ay, ito. Yeah. Maybe. All good? Yeah, please. Thank you. Thank you po. Bili tayong isa. This is pasta. Pero I think may nakikita na ako. I think ito na. Ito yung maliit. Maliit naman masyado yun. Okay, so we'll get this. Nalagay pala ko hotdog. I think okay na to. Got. Ito pala yung inabot. 34. Pwede na. Pa-birthday ko kasi yan. Hindi nyo na itatanong. Don't judge me for having fast food for breakfast. Gutom na kasi ako.
there. How can I help you today?
Hi. Can I get the sausage bacon deluxe? And can you remove the tomatoes, please?
It's a combo or just a sandwich?
I just want the sandwich and one drink. Is that okay?
Yes, sure. What can we drink for you?
Can I have orange juice, please?
Okay. Anything else?
That's everything.
Okay, 9:25 second window, please.
Thank you. Na-pressure ako. Parang yun lang kasi nakita ko sa menu na pa. Ay, wow. Hi. Thank you. Ay, Boblocks.
There you go. Do you need a straw?
Please. And can I have more napkins, please?
Sure. I'm ready for you.
Thank you. Wait lang, magpapark lang ako. Bigla akong ginutom. Mali siya dahil. Pero pwede na to. Tawag dito, pantawid. Ay, pwede na. Bala ko kasi, like, hintayin ko pa yung Bake Mac na lulutuin ko. And kung curious kayo, ba't ako nag-Bake Mac today? Kasi birthday ko no, 16, nung Tuesday. Eh, wala akong pasok nun. Wait lang. So yeah, birthday ko nung Tuesday. Wala akong work. Eh, ngayon Sunday, may work ako. Tapos, magsama-sama kami ng mga kawork ko. So, we've decided na mag-potluck. Ang dadaling ko Bake Mac, which is the easiest dish I can do. I mean, parang pagod kasi ako for the past few days. So, I think it's like, it doesn't take much of my energy. Parang ganong vibe. So, yeah, itong Dalarama dito. Somewhere there, ayun o. 10 o'clock pa pala siya bukas. Kala ko naman 8, bukas na siya. So, I'll try yung Dollarama malapit sa Walmart. Kung sarado siya, I have to wait na doon kasi bibili naman ako sa Walmart. So yeah, I'll just finish this and then let's go to Walmart. Gumagalaw ang puso ko sa'yo. Kito. Okay, we're at Walmart. Ang goal dito ay full cream at cheese. Let's go. Think better. Okay, let's pay.
Thank you. There's something else I could be doing here. There you go.
And the last one.
Okay, there you go.
Perfect.
Okay, so the total is 1538,
On credit?
and you can.
Okay, perfect.
Thank you.
That was quick. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too.
Yeah.
Okay, one last stop, Dollarama, yung foil container. Okay, we're definitely gonna get this one. Plus, ito siguro. Or too small. Ito siguro. Kasi may kawork ako, bawal siya sa pepper. So, kawawa naman na hindi matikman ang aking cooking skills. So, yeah. Ito na yung bibilin ko. Diba? Ang bilis lang. Session, naka-uniform. Reheating. 5 minutes. Okay. Thank you, Salam. Ang baby na yan. Tawagin mo sila, Ate Rosita. Mamaya na.
Ayun, parang itong batok ba yan?
Baga.
Ito, like, mga hongo. What is that?
Ay,
Birthday. 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday, Ivy! Happy birthday, Ivy! Wow, galing nyo.
Ang gabi.
Ayan, magagalit na.
Dami itlog ni Kayang hilig sa itlog, oh.
Uy.
OMG.
So you're so worried. Takbo-takbo mo. Ano lang kinakain mo?
Hindi, tingnan mo. Hirap na hirap si, Lexi.
Gusto ko.
Parang mabango. Amoy bawal sa akin.
Uy, hindi ako mag-alok eh. Sabi ko 27.